So during the course of my career, I've represented soldiers both on and off post. We still represent soldiers in courts martial. We represent them in administrative separation boards. We represent them on things like general officer letter of reprimands. So pretty much any kind of misconduct-related action by the chain of command against a soldier or an airman, we have the skill set available to represent soldiers and airmen for. It's a very, very different system. There are different rules in terms of court-martial proceedings than in a civil trial, and the possible consequences are very different in a criminal courtroom in the military, court-martial proceeding, versus in a civilian jury setting. One of the things that I tell my clients is there's an old saying by F. Lee Bailey, and he said that if he was innocent, he would much rather be charged in a military courtroom. But if he was guilty, he would much rather be charged in a criminal courtroom in the civilian sector. And the point that he was raising is that the military is very no-nonsense. The guys who are, and women who are going to sit on a military panel are all decision makers. They all have college degrees. They're all very, very astute, intelligent, and willing to sentence people very harshly if they don't feel that they've lived up to the responsibilities of the uniform. And by that, I don't mean to demean civilian juries, but it's a very different belief structure and experience structure that both of those juries bring to bear. So what I tell my clients is that if you have a military-related issue, whether it's a court-martial proceeding, whether it's an administrative separation board, or whether it's in the less serious spectrum of what the chain of command can do, you need an experienced attorney who has had those types of cases in the past. I have been handling military clients with virtually every possible scenario that the chain of command can bring to bear against those military clients for almost 35 years. So we certainly have the skill set to help those folks.